Hi, good day. This is Miss LM and we're back again for another math video, and still nandito pa rin tayo sa operations with rational algebraic expressions. And now we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of dissimilar RAEs. And ano nga ba ang dissimilar RAEs? So dissimilar rational algebraic expressions are those RAEs with unlike denominators. So as you can see, we have here a symbol or pattern wherein as you can see, there are two different denominators. So A all over B plus or minus C all over D. So what we're going to do is to look for the common denominator to make our RAEs similar. So in adding or subtracting rational algebraic expressions, they should have similar or common denominator. So paano nga ba natin mahahanap yung common denominator na yon para magawa nating similar yung ating dissimilar RAEs. So LCD or least common denominator is the smallest denominator that is divisible by all denominators. So yung LCD daw po ay yung pinakamaliit na number or variables or terms na pwedeng ma-divide ng lahat ng denominator na involved sa ating RAEs. And the LCD is the LCM of all denominators. So, if you're familiar with least common multiples, yun din po iyon. Kaya lang, nasa denominator nga lang sa case natin ngayon. So, let's have some examples on how we can find the LCM or least common multiples. As of now, we're going to look for the LCM. So, ano nga ba ang LCM natin for 9 and 6? Again, LCM stands for least common multiples. So, to find the least common multiples of numbers, kailangan natin ng kanilang prime factors. So, we can do that factor 3, or you can just list down the prime factors of the numbers involved. So, we have 9 and 6. So, ano nga ba yung prime factors ni 9? We have 3 and 3. And then for 6, we have 3 and 2. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ko na siya pinagpantay. Bakit? Kasi kailangan nating makita kung alin nga ba yung magkapareho or yung common. So, yung unang common natin is 3. Meron tayong isang pair na common na 3. So, ano naman ang gagawin natin dun sa hindi common? Kasama rin po siya ngayon sa ating LCM. Kunin natin si 3, kunin natin si 2, and then multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. So, ibig sabihin, 18 ang hinahanap nating LCM of 9 and 6. Si 18 ay pwedeng ma-divide ni 9, and at the same time, pwede rin siyang ma-divide ni 6. Tama po ba? So, that's LCM, least common multiple. Example number 2, we have 4a squared b and 6ab cubed. So, dun muna tayo sa numerical coefficients. So, for the LCM of 4 and 6, so list down muna natin yung kanilang prime factors. For 4, we have 2 times 2. And then for 6, we have 2 times 3. Now, alin nga ba dito yung common? Una hanapin natin ay yung common, and that is 2. So, 2 yung una. Then, yung mga hindi common, ililist down pa rin natin. 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. So, when it comes to the numerical coefficients, 12 yung hinahanap nating LCM. 12 can be divided by 4 and also can be divided by 6. So, that's LCM. Now, for the numerical coefficients, tandaan nyo po, when it comes to numerical coefficients, ang kukuhanin nating LCM ay yung may greatest exponent or largest exponent. LCM of variables are those variables with largest exponent. So, when it comes to a squared and a, ang LCM natin ay a squared. And when it comes to b and b cubed, ang ating LCM ay b cubed. So, kung isusulat natin ang kabuuan na ating LCM, we have here 12 a squared b cubed. That means 12a squared b cubed can be divided by the first monomial, and also it can be divided by our second monomial. Okay? Next, example number 3. So what if we have binomials like this? X plus 1 and x minus 1. So, same process pa rin to find the LCM. Kailangan natin ng prime factors. Ano ba ang factors ni x plus 1? So, we're looking for the prime factors, and we all know that there is no factoring technique that can be used for x plus 1. So, wala siyang ibang factors kundi ang sarili niya at saka yung 1. Same as dun sa x minus 1. Wala na rin tayong factoring technique na pwedeng magamit dito. Kaya, x minus 1 and 1 lamang ang factors niya. Now, ano yung common? 1 lang, di po ba? So, ibig sabihin, kung 1 lang ang common and then meron tayong x plus 1 and x minus 1, yun yung magiging LCM natin. X plus 1 and x minus 1 will be the LCM for these two binomials. The quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of x minus 1 can be divided by x plus 1 and also x minus 1. Okay? So, let's have example number 4. So, we have here 2b plus 4 and 3b plus 6. So, same step pa rin to find the LCM. We have to write the factors of these two binomials. So, we have 2b plus 4. So, you can see we have 2 and 4, and this is factorable by GCMF because the greatest common factor for these two is 2. And then, factor out na natin, 2b divided by 2 is b, and then positive 4 divided by 2 is positive 2. Now, for 3b plus 6, 3 and 6, common sa kanila ang 3. Then, 3b divided by 3 is b, positive 6 divided by 3 is positive 2. Now, to write for the LCM or to write the LCM, kailangan muna nating mahanap kung alin ang common. Alin ang common sa kanila? We have b plus 2. And followed by those factors that are not common. So, actually, we don't need to multiply this na po muna because later on, mas kakailanganan natin na ganyan ang itsura ng ating least common denominators. Okay? Example number 5. So, last example na natin to for finding the LCM of the given polynomials. So, we have x squared minus 36 and x squared plus 5x minus 6. So, for the LCM, again, kailangan natin ng factors. X squared minus 36. So, this is a binomial, and these binomials are perfect squares. So, bakit? Kasi meron tayong x squared, meron tayong 36, pareho silang may square root, and difference siya. So, ibig sabihin, this binomial is an example of difference of two squares. The factors will be square root of the first term, square root of the second term, and then isang plus at isang minus. Okay? And then, for the trinomial, x squared plus 5x minus 6. So, this is a general trinomial. Now, we have to find the factors of negative 6 with the sum of positive 5. So, that is no other than x plus 6 and x minus 1. If you multiply positive 6 by negative 1, the result will be negative 6. And if you add positive 6 and negative 1, the result will be positive 5. Okay? Now, for the LCM, again, hanapin yung factor na common. So, we have x plus 6. And yung mga hindi common, sila naman yung kasunod natin dyan. Again, hindi mo na kailangan i-multiply yan dahil much better na ganyan muna siya dahil kakailanganin pa natin yan for changing dissimilar RAEs to similar RAEs. Okay? That's the end of the part 1, and punta na kayo dun sa ating second video about addition and subtraction of dissimilar RAEs.